Hello, I am Nate Kunzer, product specialist from Heidolph North America, and today I'm going to show you how to attach your standard single channel pump head to your peristaltic pump. With your single channel pump head, you're going to have this adapter piece which will be going on first. That comes with these two screws that can be hand tightened. You'll line that up with the holes and screw in. Once the adapter has been attached to the pump, we can attach the pump head through that to the pump. In doing so, we want to make sure that the pins on the pump head align with pins on the pump. In order to do that, we're going to first remove this glass casing on the outside of the pump head. We're now going to slide the pump head into the pump head adapter. You may notice it doesn't fit in all the way. That's because the pins are not lined up. You can spin the roller in order to get that fit, where it'll then slide in towards the back. We are then going to tighten the 5mm Allen on top, which will hold the pump head in place. Now that the pump head has been attached to the pump, we can insert our tubing. We already removed the glass shielding in the previous step, so what we're going to do now is remove the tubing lock. You just unscrew until it pops out. We can insert our tubing. To get the tubing in, I'm going to start from the top, push it around the roller, let it roll with it until we got the tubing out the bottom side. Following that, we can reattach our tubing lock. You want it to hold onto the tubing without creating pressure on it. And then we can replace our shielding. Now the tubing is attached, you're ready to begin pumping your solutions. That was the installation of a single channel pump head to your peristaltic pump. Again, I am Nate Kunzer, product specialist from Heidolph North America. Thank you for watching.